Hi, I'm Micah. Today I'll lead you through a gentle morning yoga routine that you can do right from the comfort of your own bed. This sequence will awaken your senses and begin to prepare your mind and body for the day ahead. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for new therapeutic yoga videos every week to keep you strong, flexible, and pain-free through the years. Start by lying down comfortably in your bed if you're not already there. And my upper body is propped up a little bit, but it's just so I can see you. If you'd like to lie flat, that would be great, or maybe just a slight elevation of your head with one pillow. So just make yourself comfortable, feel the back of your body connected to the bed, and then let your palms connect to either your abdomen, your low abdomen, or maybe your rib cage. And we'll start some conscious breathing. So breathe in through the nose. Feel your rib cage or your abdomen expand out. And breathe out through the nose, slowly letting the air leave your body. Again, breathe in. Your eyes can be closed throughout this. Let's tune in. And breathe out. And this last time, breathe in. Imagine you're filling up your body with light and energy. And then breathe out. Beautiful. You can keep your hands where they are and start some pelvic tilts. So as you breathe in, feel your rib cage lift up and your chest a little bit to where there's a little space between your low back and the bed. And then exhale, flatten the low back so it's like you're tucking your tailbone. Really, this motion is from the pelvis. So inhale, you're tilting the pelvis forward a little bit, creating that space in your low back. And exhale, we're pulling the belly button in and tucking the tailbone. Just continue like that. Inhale. Exhale. And once you know what you're doing, you can close your eyes. Inhale. And exhale. Just bringing a little slow, gentle movement to the spine. Inhale. Exhale. One last time. Inhale. And exhale, just neutral, release. Draw your right knee up towards your chest, hands on top of the knee, and let's draw circles around. So nice hip circles. You can make these circles as big or as small as you'd like. We're just feeling into our body this morning. You don't want to make any of this motion too big or too intense. Small, gentle motions to wake up the body. And take the circles the other direction. Great. Now hug that knee in. Now next time you inhale, press it away from you just a little bit. And then exhale, pull it back in towards you. Inhale, move it away from you. Exhale, hug it in. Inhale, press it away. Exhale, hug it in. This motion is excellent for digestion, getting things moving in the morning. Inhale, move it away. Exhale, hug it in, hold it in. Take your hands behind the thigh or the knee and gently press your foot up to the sky, straightening the leg. Leave a little micro bend in your knee today. Remember, it's not about getting super flexible here, getting a deep stretch. We're just feeling into our body. Then let that knee bend. And just do that motion a couple of times on your own. And if you're feeling some joints crackling and popping, you can just make that motion a little smaller. And the joints crackling isn't a big deal. but sometimes it's nice to avoid it if we can. And then press the leg up, press through the heel, and begin to point and flex your foot. Great, now move the foot side to side, kind of like a windshield wiper. And then roll your ankle. Roll it the other direction. And then finally, just hold your foot there and try to spread out your toes and pay special attention to that pinky toe side that doesn't usually like to move on its own. It likes to move with the other toes, but try to spread it out. Great. And then hug that knee in. Take one more breath. And then let it go with the exhale. Stretch that leg out long. Let's take a little cleansing breath here. Inhale, stretch. Feel your rib cage lift away from your hips. And exhale, let it go. Let's draw the left knee into our chest now and begin to draw circles around. Just exploring your movement today and what your body feels like. Notice any tightness. We're just exploring sensation. And take it the other way. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but you might hear some roosters. I don't know if my mic will pick it up. I'm at my parents' house actually to use their guest room for their bed. And they live on a farm, so there are some farm sounds. I hope you can hear them. It's like a rooster waking you up for the morning. Okay, hug that knee in. And on your next inhale, press it away from you. It doesn't have to be a big motion. And exhale, hug it in. Inhale, press it away. Exhale, hug it in. Inhale, press it away. One more time. Exhale. Inhale. And now exhale, hug it in. Take your hands behind the knee and stretch the leg up. Nothing intense, just exploring movement. Starting to bend and straighten without losing awareness of your breath. Once again, not going for an extreme stretch here. Just noticing how your body feels, exploring. Next time you straighten your leg up, hold it there and start to point and flex your foot. Notice every little bone and tendon in your foot and muscle and joint. And now take it side to side like you're drawing a rainbow with your toes. And then let's take a nice circle around. And fun fact, the connective tissue in your foot, the fascia, is connected all along your whole body, especially this back line. So by moving your foot and showing it a little extra care, then you're actually showing your low back some extra care, your neck, other parts of your body. It's really neat how much a small movement of the foot can affect. And take it the other way if you haven't. And now take a moment to try to spread your toes apart the best you can, especially that pinky toe side. Seeing if you can send signals from your brain all the way down to your toes. And just do the best you can. And then let the knee bend. Hug it in towards your body. Take a breath in. And then breathe out as you stretch your legs out long. Maybe stretch your arms out above your head if you've got the space. And then place both feet flat on the bed. Lots of space in between your feet. Your arms can be wherever you like. And let your knees fall to one side and then the other. Your hip can come up a little bit if it feels good. This is all about feeling good. And gradually bringing some energy and prana, life force, into the body, preparing you for your day ahead. Great, both knees up. Take your right ankle on top of the left knee. If this is too intense, you can just lengthen that leg out a bit so it's not as deep of a stretch. Or you can draw it in closer. Maybe if you want a little bit more, you can take your hands behind the thigh and pull this leg in towards you. Long, deep breaths here. Maybe play with pressing or just moving your right knee away from you. So don't actually use your hand. And then let that go. If the foot's lifted, let it float down, unwind. And we'll take it right on the other side, left ankle on top of the right knee. Play with your distance, whatever feels good to you this morning. And then maybe interlace your fingers behind that thigh and pull it in towards you. Using all of these still moments to connect inward. Tune into your energy and your breath. And then let that foot float down, unwind. Let your knees fall to one side and slowly come over on one side to prop yourself up. Meet me sitting on the edge of your bed. Take your time getting situated. Make sure you're up on top of your sit bones the best you can. And make sure you feel supported by the bed so your feet can just dangle off. That's fine. Now, start with a lengthening of the spine and just tune into the breath as you inhale and feel the energy moving upward at the crown of your head. And then exhale, feel the downward moving energy grounding down of the hips. Again, inhale, feel the expansion, the lift, the lightness. And exhale, a little bit of grounding, melting down. One more time like that. Breathe in, expand. And breathe out, ground. Now this time when you breathe in and expand, you can lift your arms up. And breathe out, twist to the right, lower your arms, just a very light spinal twist, looking out towards your right shoulder. And then let that go, reach your arms back up to the sky, breathe in. And breathe out, twist to the left, lower your arms down, gaze towards the left. And then one last time, just reach up to release, breathe in. And then breathe out, draw your palms down to your heart. Take your fingertips down, whichever side, and your other arm, your fingertips come to your shoulder for a side bend, lifting the elbow up and over. Nice long line from your elbow all the way down to your hip. Take a couple of big breaths in here. We are stretching these little muscles in between our ribs, which help us breathe better and deeper. And then release that. And side bends are also energizing, so we're giving you a little more oomph for your day. Take your fingertips up to your shoulder, other side. Reach that elbow up and over. Nice long line from your elbow to your hip. Breathing in, feeling the side of your rib cage expand. Breathing out, feeling it soften back in just a little bit. And then release that. Great. Okay, so we'll take a little cat-cow action here on the edge of the bed, but with different arms. So reach your arms out wide, palms open, thumbs up. Press the back of your hands back like it's gonna be a wonderful day. Lift the chest, maybe even a gaze upward. And then give yourself a nice hug as you round your spine and lower your chin down to your chest. Tuck the belly button in. Again, inhale, open out. And as you exhale, hug with the other arm on top, the awkward arm. Inhale, open, tilt the pelvis forward, gaze up. Exhale, hug in, alternating arms, tucking your tailbone. Inhale, open out. Exhale, hug in. And just last time, reach out, lift the heart, spread the fingers wide, feel energy shooting out your fingertips. And then exhale, let your hands come back down to your lap and begin to roll your shoulders back. And just start with little circles. And then roll them forward. Draw your palms to heart center. If your eyes aren't closed, go ahead and let them soften for a moment. Connect back in. And bring to mind someone or something that you are grateful for today, this morning. And just picture that person or that thing and notice how they or it makes you feel. And see if you can actually embody that feeling. So maybe it feels like a sense of warmth in your body, in your heart, that gratitude. And then feel that feeling spread as you breathe. So inhale, feel that warmth, that gratitude, that positive feeling spread through your body. And breathe out. Again, breathe in, feel the warmth spread. And breathe out. Say to yourself, today is going to be a beautiful day, and really mean it. And then start to rub your palms together, generating a little energy and heat. Place your palms over your eyes with a slight cupping. And let your hands release down to your lap, open your eyes, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining me this morning. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, give it a thumbs up, and comment down below. I would love to hear from you and connect. Thank you. Take care.